Hello guys, welcome back. We have some important things to talk about regarding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we will be covering bull and bear scenario for both of them as usual. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Before we start, as always, hit the like and subscribe button. Now without wasting time, let's dive in. Let's start from Ethereum. Ethereum under 30-minute time frame, as soon as we broke 50 level of this Fibonacci golden zone 1340, we entered into a bear zone. As you can see, we broke it, tested 786, we went up, twice rejection from here, from golden zone 5 level, first, second rejection. Once we broke with a beautiful candle, and then we went further up. 1 hour time frame. The same scenario applies to 1 hour time frame, and we are bullish. Under 2 hour time frame, we do not have something huge difference, and we are quite bullish. 2 hour time frame has been bullish since 24th of January. As you know, after 19th and 21st of January dump, we got quick recovery. Since then, we are in bull territory under a 2 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I would say the strongest one. As you may remember that 26th of December, we've been provided a bull signal. Once we broke 630 and 640 level. Since then, we are in bull territory. We closed the trade with 115% spot profit. And since then, Ethereum never showed a weakness. Under a daily time frame at the moment, current candle looks not bad. However, we've got 9 hours plus to close this candle. Also, when we look into this RSI, you can see it. Price keep printing higher highs, but RSI since the 7th of January we are fainting, and this is not really a good sign, which we've been following this since the beginning of the January. And I mentioned number of times that in my previous videos that this type of bear divergence under higher time frames, there is a decent chance to play. This is a bit concerning for Ethereum holders. Before we move on to the bull and bear scenario, if you want to become a professional trader under 5 hours, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8 or via Telegram Magnate8. One-on-one intense mentorship is available. Bear scenario for Ethereum. As I said, that Ethereum under 4 hour looks very healthy and bears needs to work hard. Or else we need a long consolidation around here, and then the bears will have a decent chance to go further down. Bears needs to break actually 1260 area to go to the bear zone under 4 hour time frame. However, it is too early to talk about it unless BTC dumps. Bull scenario is clear. In the last 10 days or so, we've been following this level, support resistance flip zone, which is at the moment we are having resistance above us. Once we break this resistance and then become support, and then we are good to go. As you can see, since 19th of January, we've got first rejection, second rejection, and today literally we've got a third rejection, which isn't a good sign. As I said, once a sub flips and holds above it, then one can be confident to take a long. We also have a parallel channel, which I take it today. You can see it rejection, fake pump, and we came back, and today literally we're just rejecting from the median line. So as I said again, we've got this confidence with this parallel channel. Once we're going to break and stay above this median line, we can take it long. And that also, as you can see it, at confluence with our horizontal resistance line. Before we move on to the BTC, I would like to remind you that if you're enjoying, do not forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell, make sure you will get an instant updates. Moving on to the BTC. Under a 30-minute time frame, we can see the similar scenario as Ethereum. Once we broke 33,850 level, you can see it clear breakout, and the next candle we're holding this level and we went up. 1 hour time frame. Under 1 hour time frame, I cannot tell the same story because bears are in charge under a 1 hour time frame, and we are having a rejection from 382 level, which is $35,000. You can see it seems clear breakout. Since then, one after another, these candles got rejected from 382 level. 2 hour time frame. Under a 2 hour time frame, I cannot see much difference than 1 hour time frame. Moving on to 4 hour time frame. Now 4 hour time frame been extremely helpful in the last 1 month or so. We are heavily under a consolidation zone. As you remember, this was our consolidation zone, and that was again our consolidation zone. However, that started actually from 8th of January once we got rejection from $42,000. Moving on to the daily. On the daily chart, not much change under a daily time frame, same as the last video. I would be closely watching lower time frame to get a clear entry levels. Some of you maybe remember this falling wedge or descending wedge, however you call it, and we had this fake pump. As you can see it, fake pump once the Elon Musk updated his Twitter bio, and since then price action has been struggling within this upper line, as you can see it. And I do not want you to be trapped in this, and do not forget that we're in consolidation zone under a 4 hour time frame in the last 25 days, and therefore play carefully. I would say usually once we broke this falling wedge, we're going to retest, and then price should go further up. That's the nature of this falling wedge. However, in our scenario at this moment, we have a heavy high time frame resistance above us, and I care less about this wedge. Once we break that resistance and we are good to go, I will cover in a second bull and bear scenario. But before that, if you want to become a professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8 or via Telegram Magnate8. One-on-one intense mentorship is available. Bullish scenario for BTC. If we can manage to break and stay above 382, ideally 34,900, 35,400, and one may consider to take a long. Where, as you can see, we've got high time frame resistance above us and it confluence with our one of the main Fibonacci level 382, and you can see one after another we've got rejections right from these level. Bear scenario, if bulls lose high time frame support 34,400 and 33,900, which confluence, as you can see again, 0.5, next important golden zone 33,900, then we have our first target zone below us, which is another high time frame support will be waiting for us, 29,100, 29,800 area. And I do not believe this time our main golden zone will hold and will stop the bears. So my bias is still towards the south, and I'm expecting the price should go down unless we break the resistance above us, which is 34,900, 35,400 again. Under a 1 hour and 4 hour time frames indicating that we are in the bear territory. And that is the reason that I said above, do not trust the falling wedge a lot. And we will see the result in the coming days. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have questions, feel free to leave. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And I thank each and every single one of you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.